Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board a brand new arrival. This is a 2025 Starcraft EXS 3. Pretty stoked to walk you guys through this one. So starting back here on the swim platform, this boat is going to be powered by a Yamaha 175 Show VMAX engine. You will have your integrated ski tow bar back here, whether you're doing some wakeboarding, skiing, towing tubers. You have all the capabilities to do that. Back here you are going to have your sunbed with your flip back seat. Moving forward, this does have the dual helm layout, so you are going to have helm chairs here on your port and starboard side. The boat is equipped with a Hummingbird multifunction display as well as a wet sound stereo system. Moving forward, you are going to have in-floor storage. So whether you're bringing life jackets, floaties, tubes, anchor, everything that you're bringing out on the water with you, you can store in your subfloor storage. And then up here in the bow, we have really nice and spacious seating for all the guests you're wanting to bring out on the water with you. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. These boats are absolutely incredible. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to see it in person, visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.